Hello everybody, so today we're going to be working on percents and decimals. Okay, so it says to write the following decimals as percents as decimals. This should be pretty easy. 284 you just divide by 100 or you move the decimal place to the left to get 2.84. So 284% is 2.84. Okay, and then 10% is 0.1, this is 7.78. That does not look like a decimal, but it is. Okay. Number 4, 0.52 was the percent for 0.52. You just do the exact opposite thing. You multiply to the right by 100, or you just move it. You multiply by 100, or you move it 2 decimal places to the right and then add a percent sign, so it's 52%. Okay, 0.3, 8.07, so on and so forth. This one is easy. 8 is 28%. Yeah. Okay, so this one's pretty easy, so I'm just gonna hop on to the next one, which is measuring units. Convert the following measuring units. Okay, so the thing you need to know is that for every centimeter, there are 10 millimeters, okay? And so to get from 1 to 10, you have to multiply by 10, okay? Which means down here, you also have to multiply by 10 to get 415 millimeters, okay? This is meter, so from every meter, there is 100 centimeters. To get 1 over to 100, you need to multiply by 100. So 6.6 meters is 660 centimeters. Okay, let's see. Let's do number 6. 57.5 centimeters. It's the same as number 1. Okay, where this is 1, this is 10. So you multiply by 10 and you get 575. 557.5 centimeters is equal to 575 millimeters. Okay. All right. So it says to calculate, this next section is just circle. So it says to calculate the area of the circle, and it gives you the radius of 5.9 meters, and the area is pi r squared. Okay. And so you square 5.9, and then you multiply by pi either in a calculator or by 3.14. Okay, depends on what your teacher tells you, or depends on what the instructions say. In this case, you would get 109.3 meters squared because it's asking for area, so you have to have a squared unit. Okay, one more. It says diameter is 1.8 feet, but you don't use the diameter to find area, you use the radius. Okay, so you have to divide the diameter by 2. So the radius is 0.9. Okay. Okay. The radius is 0.9, and so pi r squared, just 0.9 squared, which is 0.9 is 0.81. So you just do pi times 0.81 or 3.14 times 0.81, and you get 2.54 feet squared. That is a 2. That doesn't look like a 2, but it is, trust me. Okay, on to coordinate grid. Draw a trapezoid with vertices negative 1, 7, 7, 7, 2, negative 6, 0, negative 6. Okay, and then move it 3 units down. All right, so when it says move it 3 units down, it's telling you to change the y coordinate or the y value. And the y value is the second one, so 7, 7, negative 6, negative 6. And by moving it down, it says to subtract, okay? Anyways, it says to subtract 3. So you just subtract 3 from all of the y values. So the new coordinate should be negative 1, 4, 7, 4, 2, negative 9, and 0, negative 9. Okay? And those are what your new coordinates should be. And if you check, like by actually drawing it, you'll find that it turns out that way. Okay, so first let's draw the first trapezoid. Uh, right. Okay, so this is our original trapezoid. Okay, -1,777 to -6 and 0. -6, then it says to move everything down by 3. So our new coordinates should be here, 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 and here. Okay, and so if you look at it, then you'll see that. Oh, my bad. I made a mistake. It should actually be up here. The original one should be up here to be 1,7 and 7,7. So this is what it is. All right, that's my bad. So then our new ones are actually up here because you're moving down 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And that's 1, 2, and 3 over here. And if you see, this is -1, 4, and this is 7, 4, which is what I said it would be down here. And if you look down here, over here, it's 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 2, -9. 0, -9, and 2, -9. Okay, so if you want to draw it, by all means, but that's way too time consuming. And so you should just do this. It says to move it 3 units, so you know it's 3 units. Down means that it's along the x coordinate, and down also means down the not x coordinate, y coordinates. Okay, down means y coordinates because it's type out like vertical, and down means negative. Okay, so you subtract 3 from all the y coordinates. Okay, number 2, vertices -4, 6, 6, 7, 9, -2, and -3, 0. Then move it 4 units down. Okay, same as before, it says 4 units, so you know that whatever you're doing, it's gonna be by 4. And then it says units down, which means that it's gonna be affecting the y coordinate, okay, because it's not left or right, it's up or down, in this case down. So you know it's gonna be y coordinate, and down means you subtract. So you subtract 4 from all the y coordinates. So you get -4, 2, 6, 3, 9, -6, and -3, -4. Okay, I'll draw it one more time just so that you guys know for a fact that this is what the final coordinates are. Okay, so this is what the original looks like, and this is what the new coordinate, the quadrilateral with the altered coordinates, looks like. Okay, and if you see, you can see that the new coordinates are actually -4, 2, 7, 2, or not 7, 2, 6, 3. Yeah, this is 6, 3. Okay, and then there's -3, -4, and also 9, -6, which is exactly what I said down here. -4, 2, 6, 3, 9, -6, and -3, -4. Okay, that's it for this week. Have a nice day.